What's up, guys? It's been a minute since we've done a Coding My Startup series episode, but a few things have changed since we last talked. The first thing is that the Startup Accelerator start date was pushed back from March 13th to like mid-April. And I guess the good news is after I submitted the application, we did get an email back and they requested like a 2-minute summary of like what the company is and what we do basically. After I sent that in, I let the team review the video. Everybody was really excited about it, but we still haven't heard back after we sent that video in. But I'm pretty sure, well, I'm hopeful it will get approved. Beyond that, the app has made strides. Like, it's nearly complete, but since we got a bit more time with it, we decided to just build a bit more features to make the MVP a little more special. But lately I've been working on design a lot and working on the marketing plan because I've got to work on both sides of the arena. I was about to go into Starbucks, but I think I'm gonna go to Lorraine's over here and get some breakfast first. So recently I've had to do a few things. Came up with the full spectrum of the marketing plan with our launch plan. And I've got a list of like potential investors that we can contact. Lewis, he's really knocking out a lot of features. But the thing about a feature is you have to code around a user's potential errors or anything that a user might do. And beyond that, there's a lot of logical things you got to think about when it comes to any feature. So for example, if I want a user to be able to create a post and I want that post to be attached to that user, well, that needs to be stored somewhere. So naturally you will want the user to have a profile. So those are the type of things that I'm doing now. Not 0 to 1 features, but the 1 to 2 aspect of the features. But I'm about to go into this bakery. This is like one of my favorite spots to get breakfast. Check it out with me. So basically a lot has been going on. To be honest, it's kind of overwhelming working on so many things all at once, like making these videos, of course, building the startup, and have a few other things that I'm working on as well. So, you know, it's a mission, it's a grind, but that's what I do it for. This is one of my favorite spots to get breakfast because like it's just kind of like a vibe in here for one, and for two, the food is really good. And I don't know if you saw this, but this is like a homemade jam that they make, and it's just really good. And it's seasonal, so sometimes they have apricot. I think right now it's strawberry. I don't know. I just like it. So today I'm mainly going to be working on design. I've been doing a bit of design research on other apps to see like how I want to present everything. So I got a few ideas and a few things sketched out. So here goes. So Dev from the future here, and I started out just doing some on-the-fly designs, but then I found out Apple had some human interface guidelines. And instead of going into the minutia of trial and error that I faced with the designs, I just want to focus on the updates that were in this video. And as I said, it's from the future, so we actually got some pretty big news. So stay tuned for next week. Peace.